Welcome to Car Rambler channel. Today we're gonna see a Renault 19, but not the usual one, a one that is a cabriolet. So the Renault 19 was a successor of Renault 9, that was a sedan, and Renault 11, that was a hatchback. This car, Renault 19, was offered in three versions: 3 and 5-door hatchback and 4-door sedan. The cabriolet was introduced in 1991. In 1992, the whole Renault 19 range was facelifted. So if you will ever see a Renault 19 that is a pre-lift cabriolet, then you are dealing with a very rare example of this car, because probably there were less than 1,600 cars built of the first pre-lift version. About the second generation, or the after-lift version, I found two informations. I don't know which one is true. One was saying that there were 30,000 cars built. Another one was saying that together with the first pre-lift version there were 60,000 cabriolets made. The convertible versions were made by German manufacturer Karman, and designed the Renault 19 was by a famous designer Giugiaro. So we have three nations cooperation for this car: French, Italian and German.
Looking from the outside, you are not even able to tell that the convertible version was prepared 3 years after the production launch, so it's based on different car, on a different project. The German company Karman managed to make a nice looking convertible car, and it's not that obvious that it used to be a sedan or a hatchback before. At the back there are lights that were common with within all versions, connected with this stripe imitating lights. The front was similar in all cars, so looking from the front you're not able to tell if it's a cabriolet or not. What was specific for the cabriolet was that it had this frameless windows at the front doors, and of course the back is very much changed to accommodate the folding roof. As you can see, when we were folding the roof together with the owner, there is this special hatch that you had to open to hide the roof inside of it. The roof itself has a very nice shape, and in this particular car it was exchanged by the owner, preserved in a very good condition, so you can see the real shape of the Renault 19 convertible here.
Renault 19 interior. This is a afterlift interior, so you have a new dashboard. I found an information, so if you are from the United Kingdom or other countries where you have left-hand traffic, I found an information that the right-hand drive cars with a steering wheel on the right side didn't have a new dashboard. They were still delivered with the old version of the dashboard. Hard to confirm that. I'm not sure. I found some advertisements of cars for sale in England, and they were with old dashboard indeed. So probably it's true. I don't know if it's if it was done only at the beginning or till the end of the production, but it's a fact. Okay, what we have here? We have a pretty good equipped car. So the car has power steered windows. Front windows are steered here from this panel, so you can use it like that. You may ask if the rear windows are power assisted. Yes, they are. But where is the switch for that? The switch for that is here. So if you look for it for the first time, this might be a trouble. But if you already know that, it's not that bad position, I think. And thanks for that they are here. The passenger can also use that. So, what else do we have here? The instrument panel has all the standard features that you would expect from a car. The one thing that you won't find maybe in every car is the oil level signing, the oil level. The car has 153,000 kilometers, so it's really not that much. The quality is very high of the car. It was very tested in the pre-production phase, so they did like 7 million kilometers with that. And one thing worth mentioning is that the car Renault 19 was, for example, in Germany, it was the best-selling car in the history. In 1990 and 1991, they sold about 100,000 cars per year. This was a record. It never happened again. Only once in 2009, Skoda Fabia was had a better result. About few thousand pieces more were sold. But you have to take under consideration that in that time, the German government was paying extra money for your car if you wrecked your old car. So overall, the amount of sold cars in Germany was very high in that time. So what we have here, we have a very clean and nice layout of instruments. We have switches for lights and heating of the rear window. We have a clock, very similar to the one in Ascona, I would say. We have a central locking and something that hopefully you will never need. We don't have air conditioning, but hey, it's a convertible, so you don't need one. Okay, so we have very clean layout of these switches. Here we have an ashtray, 5 gears, manual gearbox, very practical shelf here, handbrake. What do you need else? Nothing else what you might need. So the rear seat is a surprise because I have a lot of space for my legs. There is no problem to be here when I'm 1.85 m. The front seat is adjusted for my size, so it's perfect. Enough space for my head. And the couch, the seats are French, so they are soft, but they support your body there where it's supposed to be supported. Here this handle is for opening the roof, so don't use it while driving. funny thing are those lights, because you don't have a roof, so somewhere they had to put a light. Of course, early 90s, so you also used to smoke in the car, but only on that side. Beautiful car. Uh, it's very cold, it's 5 degrees, so we won't be driving this car in without the roof. But I think that this time of the year is perfect for buying a car, so this one is for sale. If you want to have a look at it, I will post the link in the description below. Okay. So let's see the engine, the most important thing in the car. This is a 1.8 8 valves engine, about 90 horsepower, so 1800 centimeters and only 90 horsepower. This wouldn't be possible nowadays. What a waste. Jak nowy.